Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. A man's physical appearance plays a significant role in sexual attraction. Women are generally drawn to men with symmetrical faces, healthy skin, and a tall and muscular build. You are lucky if you have this physical characteristic. But good looks alone are not enough to make women aroused by you. There are several important secrets that will make women even more crazy about you. Complete yourself and you are a very attractive man. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Confidence. One important factor that has a significant impact on sexual attractiveness is confidence. Men that radiate confidence and contentment in their own skin tend to attract women. Regardless matter how a man looks, he can become more appealing by exuding confidence. So show your confidence, don't look down, lift your jaw. 2. Do not be arrogant. It's important to remember that confidence and arrogance can have very fine boundaries. In fact, vanity can reduce sexual attractiveness and be very detrimental. Striking a balance between humility and self-confidence is essential. Being confident without belittling or putting others down can help you be more charming. Women are very sexually attracted to men who are not arrogant and selfish. They are fascinated by men who are kind, friendly, affectionate, empathetic, caring, intelligent, and have emotional stability. 3. Having a sense of humor can arouse sexual desire. A man who can make a woman laugh is often seen as charming and confident. Being funny and entertaining can make a man more interesting and engaging. Women love men who can make them laugh, as it helps to create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. Moreover, humor can also help to break the ice and ease tension during awkward moments. It can be a great way to diffuse any uncomfortable situations and make both parties feel more comfortable. Additionally, studies have shown that humor can increase attraction and even lead to more successful relationships. So, if you're looking to attract a partner, don't underestimate the power of a good sense of humor. 4. Being ambitious and passionate is exciting. A woman will find a man sexy if they are successful and passionate when setting goals and working hard to achieve them. But it is important for men to strike a balance between ambition and humility, as well as the ability to put personal life and relationships first. 5. Women really like men who are honest and open. Women are very happy and sexually excited about men who are honest and trustworthy. Being open and transparent in a relationship can build trust and create a strong bond between partners. You are very exciting. Being a good listener and communicator can also make a man more attractive in the eyes of potential partners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.